channel, and I'm gonna be doing the kid doing your mom's makeup thing. I lost my tooth on New Year's Eve, and if you look on the thing, it says stuff about me, and my channel is called Radio Jake, and it's gonna be lit. So let's just get along with it.
Is this the lip color you picked out for me? Do me a favor, go get me a tissue so I can take off this lipstick color. Please. Just do me that favor and then I'll like be your... No, tissue, like a tissue. Like a achoo tissue.
I know what a tissue is.
Alright guys, so...
But you gotta tell me where it is. You gotta tell me the... Oh, wait, I need the other two.
I look like I'm going to war. Braveheart.
Okay, that one here.
No! Oh, okay. Whatever you think would make me...
Yeah, I think I watched you do that. And then that. Oh, I think that's it. And then what after this?
No, wait, do I just leave the lines like this? Or...
Oh, you do that? Oh, it's brush though.
They didn't even see it.
I told you to...
They didn't even see it, so.
That's not even where it was.
They didn't even see it.
Richie, why don't you want to be on camera?
Because.
Because you're too pretty?
Yeah. I'll put my hand on camera.
Are you too pretty?
I'm way too pretty.
Are you just, I forget what they say them do.
Move!
That's my hand.
I'm a good boy for Christmas, that's why.
What?
Bring the thing closer.
There you go.
And, okay.
Which one are you going to
Now I'm going to do the pretty
Wait.
pinkalicious one.
Delicious. Oh my god.
That
One?
that one.
Okay.
Now I'll put it on your lips.
You're going to tap off the excess?
What's excess?
Like, too much on the brush, so you got to go tap, tap, tap.
Right here?
No, you tap it like on here. Like,
This.
Mm-hmm.
You're not supposed to
Now
tell
what
me.
do I do? Like this?
Hey, you know what? You are the artiste. Oh my god. What are those?
Then I'm just going to do like this. And then I'll do this too. Maybe a little more. Okay, now. Okay, let's see.
You have to show everybody at home.
And now I'm gonna use this one.
Which
the
one?
Next, the other pinkalicious one. That one.
That
Okay.
purple.
The
The same brush? Oh.
oh, not the same.
Well, no, you already did it, so it's okay. Now you got. If I were, you're not even gonna tap, 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 tap. Oh.
This is actually coming out really good.
It is?
Yeah.
Do you have to hold me by my neck?
It's
Like you're choking?
okay, no. I don't know what you... I'm gonna use this one, guys.
That's pretty.
Take just a little. Okay.
Hey, smoking out that outer corner.
Huh?
Looking like a little My Little Pony.
Really good. Color. Sparkling white.
God, the rubbing. You can't. Ow! Jake, you're gonna give me wrinkles. More wrinkles.
Okay. making you My Little Pony, actually. Okay, that's the eyes. So now we gotta do the face pink. Okay, here you go.
Wait a minute. You're putting pink on you're putting eyeshadow on my face?
It's gonna be a My Little Pony.
It's on your nose.
Hi guys, and I'm using this.
Oh boy, yellow. You're putting yellow under my eyes? Why did I color correct? Probably, Jake, I think that you're starting new trends. Everyone's gonna be rocking the yellow under eye.
Oh, I'm a kid.
They're gonna, yeah, I know, but I think
Any more?
it's sparking a trend. It's gonna be all the rage.
Now what?
I don't know, what else do you think I need? How about some highlight?
Okay.
Miller highlight? Oh, you're highlighting all my pores.
Why are you kicking me?
I had an itch.
Okay.
Do I need some lipstick?
Mm-hmm.
What color do you think? You just
Okay.
wait, you have to tell everybody what product you're using. It's, well, we didn't do any of that, but let's, Sweet Peach in Peachsicle, Too Faced.
Okay. We just can do some.
Sorry. You gotta stay in the lines. It's like,
Coloring?
yeah. Oh, it tastes
Okay.
tastes like peaches. It does. Can you smell it? Mm.
And now I'm just gonna mix it.
What are you gonna mix it with?
Okay. I'm gonna mix it with this. Oh, and guys, I forgot to show you something. On the thing, it has a little peach on here.
What color is this? This is ColourPop
Oh.
Ultra Satin Lip in Lock Diary. Oh, the other color was much better.
Make sure you get it all. Make sure you get it all out of the line.
I'm gonna make it blind. And you have to make it for the
Let him do it.
Oh, I got a good one.
I'm gonna tell you right now. If
I got a good one. I'm gonna write Pennywise now.
No, draw.
No! Okay,
no,
this is where I draw the line. But this
I'll give you scars.
isn't Halloween! Alright guys, so apparently it's Halloween.
Over.
Whenever Alex decides to shut up.